Hi, this is Professor Beth Goring. I want to give you a quick overview of how our course is set up in Canvas. So if you go to Canvas and log in using your Insight username and password, then you're going to come to the Canvas dashboard. You're going to click on KINES 197 and it'll take you to this home page. The home page gives you information about office hours, where my office is, some just brief information. Over here on the left is the menu. So you can access Wellness Central from here, and that has a lot of information about different services that the college provides for students. So if you have any needs at all, please click on that and look for your specific need. We have Cyber Cafe. Cyber Cafe is an opportunity for students to talk to students. So I don't monitor that particular one. You can set up study guides or study sessions or just interact with each other in the course. Student question and answer. This is an opportunity to ask questions of other students, and then I periodically look in there too to see if there's any questions that I can answer. Announcements. I send out announcements approximately every week, maybe 1 to 2. And when you get the email notification that I've sent out an announcement, a lot of times it doesn't have the full announcement in it. If I've posted a video along with the announcement, it won't be there. So the announcement that comes in your email, make sure that you go into the announcements icon here and look at the full announcement. Beth Goring's office hours. This is where you're going to interact with me in my office hour. I have office hours Monday and Wednesday from 12:35 to 1:55 and Tuesday, Thursday from 7 a.m. to 8:15 a.m. So you will click on this link. It'll take you to another spot where you would open this, and then when you open that, there's going to be a spot to sign in, and when you sign in, it's going to ask for the email. Don't sign in using the email. Look below that box and you're going to see an SSO, and then that's where you're going to sign in using the SSO, and you'll use your Insight username and password again. Down here we have modules, and that's what we're going to be using to move through course material. Here's your grades. The grades gives you an idea of what scores you've been earning, potential points possible, what assignments you've completed, and what assignments you still have to complete. We have a net tutor if you need online tutoring. We have access to library here. So those are the menu. So let's go ahead and go into modules. You'll see up at the top, that is the Getting Started module. So when you click on it, it has this information, how our course is set up. That's what you're watching now. It has the entire course objectives. This is my meet and greet. This tells you a little bit about me, and then after you listen to this, then you're going to go in and you're going to create your own student meet and greet video on Flipgrid. It only has to be a minute long, and you're just going to tell some basic things like what's your degree, what are your hobbies, that kind of thing, where you are in your school process. There's other course information here, how to navigate the course, communications, policies, basic requirements for your computer, and so forth. The next module is this assignments and syllabus module. And this tells you that you're going to have a research paper to write and then Erickson's essay to write. And so that gives you information about how to write it. And I also have information about Turnitin, how to upload it into Canvas, and then some student posts, some examples of student posts. You're going to have to do some discussion, board questions, and you have to respond to your fellow classmates, and there's specific instructions for how to do those correctly. The next one we have is the syllabus module. So the syllabus is here, and you'll see there's a syllabus quiz that goes along with it. So I've already emailed this to you, but please read it again. Here's your orientation email. It's due on the 17th, which is the first day of class. Here I have how to calculate your grade. Many students say, well, what grade am I getting? So you want to understand how to calculate your grade. I provided rubrics here for the discussion board rubric, research paper, grading rubric. So you want to look through those before you start doing your assignments to know exactly what I'm looking for. And here's a sample discussion and responses. I've set up each of these modules exactly the same. First thing you come to is the chapter lectures. Second thing is the outline. So what I would do is I would print out the outline, and then as you're listening to the lectures, I would take notes on the actual outline itself. And this is going to help orient you to what's important in the chapter. I have a video that I want you to watch here. I provided the PowerPoint slides. These do not have any audio with them, and they don't have any notes on them. But in case you wanted to review that. And then down here we have our chapter 1 discussion, chapter 1 quiz. The next one we have chapter 2, and again you're going to have that the chapter lecture, the outline, a video that I want you to watch. Here's a quiz, and then I have a discussion that I want you to do. This one's on Flipgrid, and so I've given you a sample of what I want you to do on the Flipgrid, and then you'll just go ahead and follow that. Next chapter again is chapter outline. Here's the chapter lecture. You stick that up there. So we have the chapter lecture, the outline, and then a video I want you to watch, and then the quiz down here. So you see that the modules are set up the same. The next item here is a discussion board. So you've watched a few videos, and there's a few more videos you can watch, and then from those videos you're going to select one. You're going to click on writing your discussion, and you're going to write your discussion and submit it here. Again, here's a discussion sample discussion post and replies to students, so make sure that you do a real quality job. And then it sets up with module 2, and then down here we have Erickson's essay. So with Erickson's essay, you're going to watch this video about Erickson and his developmental theory. Then you're going to write a paper about it, and you're going to submit it into this Dropbox here. And that's due on the 9th. On the 16th, there's a research paper due. And so the research paper Dropbox is right here. The instructions also for what to write in the discussion, the Dropbox research paper are also there. And then you'll continue to go through the different chapters and discussions. You'll see after every group of assignments there's a discussion, and then you keep going until the very end, and the last day to submit any coursework is December 8th. So I hope this helps you understand how our course is set up in Canvas, and if you have any questions, please email me.